So let's talk about parallelogram. Parallelogram forms when two parallel lines join. Right? So there is a property of parallelogram that we should know, that opposite angles are equal and opposite sides are equal. How we can understand this in detail? We know in lines and angles that if these two are parallel lines and this is transversal, so this and this will be equal, alternate interior angle. Similarly, this and this are equal by corresponding angle, and we can also say that this angle and this angle is 180 degree angle in the same side of transversal. Using this lines and angles concept, we can say that ABCD, parallelogram ABCD, which is formed by two parallel lines. This is one line, this is another, two sets of parallel lines forms parallelogram. Now opposite sides are equal, so we can write properties. Opposite sides are parallel. Similarly, we can say opposite sides are equal. Then we can say opposite angles are equal, and then we say adjacent angles are 180 degree. There is one more property we call diagonals of parallelogram bisect each other. If this is O, we can say that diagonals of parallelogram bisects each other. If we know these five properties, we can solve any questions in parallelogram. So diagonal bisect each other means first we should know about bisecting. Suppose you have line AB, and if we say another line bisect, it means this should be equal. So we have to say that if AO equals to OB, it means line P is bisecting AB. Similarly, there is something called bisecting perpendicularly. This is perpendicular bisector. It means this AO equals to OB and AO, and suppose this is K, line K, and line K are perpendicular. So 90 degree also, and these two are equal also. So today we have discussed about the properties of parallelogram. Based on this, you can solve some questions. Let's try with questions. You can say that if you have one parallelogram A, B, C, D, they say that this side is 2x plus 1, this side is 8x plus 5. They want x value. Here also they can say 2y plus 5, and here 3y plus 8. If like this they ask question, we have to use, and if they say this ABCD is parallelogram, we have to use opposite sides are equal. So we can say 2y plus 5 equals to 3y plus 8. Now we can find the value of y. Now for this we can simplify 3y, 2y will go that side, 2y, and 8 will come this side. So 5 minus 8. Like that we can find the value of y and value of x. So this is the one type of question. Another type of question which we get is, suppose this is parallelogram ABCD. They give one angle. This may be 70 degree. They ask all other angles. So here also we can say this angle is 70, opposite angle equal, so this also will be 70. Now these two should be 180. Adjacent angles are 180. So if this is 70, this will be 110. How to find? You can take it x 110. How to get this value? 70. Consider this is x equals to 180. So x equals to 180 minus 70. So x equals to 110 degree. Similarly, opposite sides are equal. So this is also 110. This is very important concept in parallelogram. You should know all 5 properties. Opposite sides are parallel, opposite sides are equal, opposite angles are equal, adjacent angles are 180. Adjacent angle means this and this. These two are opposite, this all are adjacent. Adjacent angles are 180. Diagonals of parallelogram basic teacher. Based on this, you can try some more questions. I hope it's clear. Thank you.